Hi, today I'm going to show you the calendar mode interface of our Silex PTE and take you through the main features and things you can do from that interface in that operation mode. If you look at your interface, on the top left corner here, you will see all your scheduled meetings. Some of them will be regular meetings and some of them will be auto-join meetings. The regular meetings are the ones where you have to click on the join button to join your meeting at the scheduled time, and the auto join meeting is the one that would automatically launch the meeting at the given time. Now on the top right corner you have the date, so this is today's date, so it's today's schedule, and you can change browse to see what scheduled meetings you have on other days, or go back. For example, now we're going back to today's dates. Also, you have three main features that you can use. You can open a whiteboard. You can share content using an HDMI cable, and that HDMI cable would be connected to the HDMI in port that you have on your main interface that you can see. Or you can share content wirelessly from any device. So you can use these features when you are in a call or when you're not in a call. So for instance, now if I open the whiteboard, it will open on all my screens on the PTE, and I can start whiteboarding from any screen. All my screens are touch screens, so I can just do anything or erase, etc. and close it when needed. I can do the same thing from a video call. Same for sharing content. I can share content as well from an HDMI cable or a wireless device. From the interface in calendar mode, I click on the receiver, the wireless receiver, and it will allow me to share content from my personal device such as iOS and Android devices. For the sake of this demo, I would be showing from my tablet, my iPad. So now I'm ready to share. My receiver is activated. So I open the control panel on my tablet and I go to screen mirroring. Then I select the Silex PTE and my content is instantly mirrored to the Silex PTE on all screens. To stop mirroring, I open the control panel again, click on the screen mirroring button and stop mirroring. Now let me show you how your video call would open when you want to join a meeting. So just to mention, the calendar mode is operational with Microsoft Teams. So when you click, let's say we're going to join the first meeting even though it has already started a few minutes back. If I click on the join button, it would automatically launch the Microsoft Teams and allow me to access the meeting via Teams, Microsoft Teams. So we're going to give it a few moments. And then I click on join now. Oh, okay, I'm already connected. Okay. So I'm the only one in the meeting now. If I need to share my content, which is one of the main things for meetings, I would use the share button from the Teams client. Once I do this, I will choose my desktop, which is screen 1, and my interface will show again. On my interface, when I'm sharing content, again I can share using through connecting, for example, a device using the HDMI cable or wirelessly or from a USB. So to share a document on a USB key, you would click on the USB button and it will open the folder, your USB folder. And you can choose the file that you want to show. You double click on it and here it is. Okay, so this is how you would be sharing into your video call. I'm going to close the document and exit the USB. While in a video call, you can share content from your personal devices. It could be an Android device or an iOS device. Now in this demo, I'm going to show you how to share from an iOS device, which is my iPad. So from the call, I'm still connected in my call, so I would click on the wireless receiver button and wait till it starts. Then once I see the message that says that I can start mirroring, I go to my tablet and I open the control panel. I click on screen mirroring and I select my Silex PTE device, and it would instantly mirror my content, my iPad's content on the PTE, and now I'm sharing on the call my content. To stop sharing, I would open the panel again and click on the screen mirroring window and stop mirroring. To exit the sharing screen, you just go to the stop sharing button of the Teams meeting, and it will take you back to the Teams meeting. And to hang up your call, you simply click on the hang up button. I'm going to close the Teams client and I'm back to my calendar mode. Now we're going to see how the auto join meeting will launch directly by itself. Our first entry here is scheduled for 12:34, which is in 2 minutes. So the call, and it's set as auto join, and the call automatically launches alone a couple of minutes before to give us the time to enter the call and to establish the connection. So it's actually happening as I speak. I don't have to do anything. I just sit and wait for my meeting to start.